I hope you all are
Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy and at home and really taking very good care of yourself. So today I am back with another book haul. So I bought a book set from bookchur.com and also few books from Bangalore when I had visited last time. So it was not during this second wave, it was much before that. So I had been to the Blossom Book House in Bangalore and also to a book exhibition near some Rajajinagar. So there I have brought some books. So first I will show what are the books that I got and a very good deal. And also this cute box also I am opening today. So first I will show you the books that I brought from Bangalore. First I will show you the books that I have brought from the Blossom Book House. So these are the books that I have brought from Blossom Book House. So let me show one by one. The first book is, I wanted this book, that is Ashwin Sanghi's The Krishna Key. There are so many books written by this author. I have never read any of it and it was always expensive on Amazon or Flipkart. So when I saw this in the Blossom Book House, I was like, I need to get one of his book and let me start with one of his book. So this book costed me 150 rupees where its MRP is, I can't see it anywhere, but all are, you don't find any pirated books there. These all are original copies. So I was very happy to buy original copies at a lesser price. Then I got two Preeti Shenoy books at a very cheap price, that is for 100 rupees each. The first book is The Secret Wish List and the second one is Tea for Two and a Piece of Cupcake. I have finished reading this book, very user friendly and a very nice story for one Sunday cozy evening. You can just finish this book in one go. It is very easy to read and very easy flowing book and you can read it once, one time read and a nice story. And the fourth book that I have got is Kalki by Kevin Missel. Again, this is a trilogy. I know there are two more books in this series. I think those books were available there, but I thought let me read one. Then if I can read further, then let me buy it some other time. So I bought this Kalki by Kevin Missel. Again, this was for 150 rupees. And the last book that I got from Blossom Book House is The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo. So if you have seen my last haul, that is from the 99bookscard.com, I had received the second book in the Millennium Trilogy. So I bought the first book. The third book was also available there. But then I was like, again, because these two books are huge, so I thought if I will read it or not. So I did not go to buy the third one. Instead, I bought the first one so that I can start with the trilogy. And oh my god, I have started reading it around 150 pages. I am done with it. And I'm just loving the book. I'm just loving it. So I have ordered the last book of this from the Bookchur parcel, so which I will show you in few minutes. So these are the 5 books. Again, this is for 150 rupees. What a great deal. This one is a used book. I can see that because the sides are kind of yellow. These are used ones, but still I got it for 150 rupees, which is the great deal. So these are the 5 books that I bought from the Blossom Book House. And then, as I said, there was a sale. It was a kind of a book exhibition where there were few books which are of higher end. There were few books which were like you can buy 300 for 3 books, or for some were which were more used, which had some more damages, they were giving it for 100 rupees 3 books. So I have got 3 books for 300 rupees under this category and I have got 3 more in the 100 rupee category. So the first book that I got is The Accidental Wife by Rowan Cloman. I liked the blurb of this book, so after reading the blurb I thought I can give this a try. And the second book, you know, I have heard a lot about it. The book is really good. That is Jodi Picoult's My Sister's Keep. And the third book that I got was All She Wants by Jonathan Harvey. So these books I got it just for 100 rupees each. These 3 books, they had a big lot out of which you could choose any 3 books for 300. So each one I got it for 100 rupees. Then there was one more lot where books were kind of damaged or they were very old. So they were giving 100 rupees 3 books. And what more do I want? I got all 3 from the same author, that is Sophie Kinsella. After reading The Undomestic Goddess, I am in just love with her writing. So I was like, I want to read more of the Shopaholic series. So I got Shopaholic Ties the Knot, Shopaholic and Baby, and Shopaholic Abroad. These are slightly more damaged. Pages are not torn, or there is no, the spine is also fine, the pages are also okay. But it's just that the pages are slight yellowish on the side. That is why they were giving it for such cheap price. Obviously used books, but for these 3 books I paid just 100 rupees. 3 together, not one. So almost for 400 rupees I got these 6 books from the book fair. Now to the most exciting part of this video, that is a book box from bookchur.com. So this says lock the box, but I did not buy it during lock the box sale. Rather, there was a weekend sale. I think this, the sale was there even the last weekend, where they have already curated a set of books and they have fixed a price for it. There were multiple sets. I mean, there were of different sets and of different prices. Few sets had 2 books, few had 5 books, few had 10 books, like that, and the prices were also different. You could see what are the books that are there in that particular set. So I saw these sets, which few of the books I liked from the set, and they were at really cheap price, where I got 10 books for 490 rupees. And since for 490 they will not do a free delivery, I had to put another book in the cart to get free delivery, otherwise I had to pay for the delivery charge. So I thought, since I had started reading the Millennium series and I got the first book from from Bangalore, which I showed you just now, I thought I will buy the third one so that my series will be completed and I can finally have the complete series. So that will also help me to get free delivery. So box looks very small. There are supposed to be 11 books in this. So let's see. I'm very happy, and I can see some bookmarks on top, and Bookchur till date has never disappointed me. So I'm very sure the book quality also will be really good. Okay. There are 2 bookmarks. अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Bookchur. Okay, this is from Game of Thrones, I guess, the dragon. Okay. Okay, some are small books. That is why everything could fit in this. Okay, so the first book I have here is, these might be children books. It's okay, I can give it to my niece or I can give it to my some cousins. This is Horrid Henry Holidays by Francesca Simon, illustrated by Tony Ross. Oh, these are pretty. There are illustrations in this. Definitely it is a children's book. Okay. Nice. Then there is Disgusting Digestion by Nick Arnold. Again a children's book, illustrated by Tony. Again there are so many illustrations here. It's okay. I knew there are 2 to 3 children books, and I was like, okay, I can give it to kids who are really interested in reading, and adults also can read it once, right? Okay. There is a note. As usual, Bookchur sends a personalized, cute notes which says, "Hello Mangala, thank you for choosing us again. Hope you enjoy these books thoroughly." This is bookchur.com. I love when they send, they take time for their customers and they write a note and send, which is very, very sweet of them. Then I have a Danielle Steel book. I have never read any of her work, but I've heard that books are of, you can read it once, it's nice. Some books are really good. So there was one Danielle Steel book in this, which is Now and Forever, the international best-selling author. Looks like a romantic love story kind of a book. A small book, will be a good read, I guess. Then there is William Nicholson's Motherland. Again, this blurb was good of this book, so I thought, let me give this a try. These pages are slight yellow, but it's okay. I just got it for 49 rupees. I got 10 books for 490, that is 49 each. So I'm not very sad about it. The next book, this I have seen many of them reading it or many of them having it, The Woman Who Went to Bed for an Year. This blurb looks interesting. It is by the author Sue Downsend. I have seen this in some of the book boxes where they had sent, and also I've heard some good reviews of it. This was available in the Bangalore bookstore that I went, but I had not picked there, but then here it was there in this book. So I thought, let me give this a try. And the next book, this is a Sophie Kinsella book, but it is writing as Madeleine Wickham. I am not very sure why, might be her actual name is that or what, but this is a Sophie Kinsella book. So again, this was there in that, so I was like very happy to buy one. So it is Sleeping Arrangements. 2 family, 1 villa, who is sleeping with whom? Okay. So it's a new book, I feel, never used, just that it is old. Qualities are as usual great. Next I have Charles Harris' Dead Until Dark. Okay, now the HBO original series True Blood. Okay, this looks like a thriller book. Yes, it is kind of a thriller book. I'm happy. The cover is nice. It's gorgeous actually. Then one more children's book we have, The Goldie, The Sunshine Fairy. Again there are illustrations. Okay, there are 3 children books and 7 adult books. Really not sad. Nice. It will be a good read for kids. Then one more reason why I bought this was, there was one Martina Chloe book that is Faceless. I've heard really good reviews of this. Again, it is kind of a mystery book, killing her 2 best friends, and she has paid the price. Now she is being released from the prison, it's time to go home. Okay, it looks kind of a thriller book, so I bought this one, and I've heard really good reviews of this particular author, so I wanted to read one of their books, so I bought this. And the last book in this is The Risk of Darkness by Susan Hill. Again a crime series, this is again a thriller book. So this was there, I also like the blurb of this, so I thought this box, let me buy this particular box set, because we cannot choose it. They had already predefined sets out of which we have to pick one. And the last which I picked is the 3rd book in the Millennium series, that is The Girl Who Kicked the Hornet's Nest. So now my series is complete. One I brought from Bangalore, the second one I got from 99 Books Cart, and the third one I brought from Bookchore. So this I actually got it just for 123 rupees. This, and look at the thickness of this book. Again, the quality is really good. Yes, it is yellow, but for the price I am paying, I am really not at all complaining about it. The quality is really nice. So that's it for today, guys. I have a big pile of books that I have brought, and seriously I got it for a very good deal. So I'm really very happy with my purchases, recent purchases. So these are all the books that I got in 1 month, actually I can say. Yes, within a month I got these many books. So I'm really very happy for all my purchases. So that's it for this video. I hope you really liked seeing a book haul, and also before this video I think my TBR video will go up. So please, I hope you have already watched it by now, and also please subscribe to my channel, and stay safe, stay home, please take very good care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.